In this video, you will learn to create a geometric abstract poster in CorelDRAW.
Hey there creators! Welcome back to the Creators World channel where we learn to earn with graphic design and online business. Sir Orlando here. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a stunning geometric abstract poster design in CorelDRAW. Very easy to create and very easy to do. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so whether you are a beginner or just looking for inspiration, this design will help you to level up your design game. We'll be playing with bold shapes, vibrant colors, and perfect symmetry to build a poster that is not just eye-catching, but perfect for prints, digital art, and social media content. Always remember to offer these services for money whenever you have the opportunity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you don't get left out from any creative drop from our channel. Are you ready to learn? Let's go!
Start by creating a circle of 20 millimeters in size. Press P to center it on the page and apply a contour. Choose the outside contour and apply the settings as you see on the screen. Now break the contour apart and ungroup all. Starting with the smallest circle, let's apply our fields as you see on the screen. Now select all and group, and using the 2-point line tool, draw a horizontal line from the left quadrant to the right quadrant of the outer circle. Select all and trim, then ungroup all again. Select the line we just drew and delete. Select each circle and break apart. Make sure you do this for all the circles. Shortcut key is Ctrl+K. This will turn our circles into semicircles without losing their fields. Now highlight all the semicircles at the top and group, and do same for those at the bottom. Now double click on the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle shape around our page and align one of the groups to the top and the other to the bottom as you see on your screen. Now make a copy of the rectangle page and change the width to 7 millimeters. Let's make some duplicates, so open the transform docker and apply the settings as you see on the screen. Let's fill it with the same lineup of our colors, just as we did for the circle. Awesome. Now select all the rectangles and group and make a copy. Mirror it horizontally and align it to the left part of our semicircles. Likewise, align the other group of rectangles to the right side of our semicircles, just as you see on the screen, and bring both semicircle groups to the front of page using Shift plus Home. Select our branch background and make sure it is at the front of our page. Select all our designs and take out the outline. Press P to position our grand background on our design and apply a transparency, a uniform transparency. If you got value from this video, 70, then subscribe for more inspiring content. Set the mode to multiply. Your likes and your comments are deeply appreciated. Start creating yours now.